folks, it's that time again. Check this Impala out. 2015 Chevrolet Impala 2LZ. This is an LT with the LTZ package on it, and it's stunning. It's absolutely beautiful. Loving this red. Lightly smoked windows, 20-inch alloys on it, rear sport wing, 3.6 liter V6 motor, loaded up with options inside. This car has no damage on it whatsoever. The body is stunning. Great piece. Got the gray leather, heated power driver seat, heated passenger seat, navigation, wood grain, heated steering wheel, collision avoidance system with blind spot monitoring, backup cam, leather suede seating, Bose sound, dual zone digital climate, USB line in, auxiliary streaming audio. I mean, it's got everything on it. It's all that. The interior is perfect on this car. It's never been smoked in, has not been driven hard and ragged out. Super nice Impala. Only 80K on this car. Full service and safety inspection, 3 months, 4,500 miles on the complete driveline. Absolute showstopper color combo. This car's for sale. DasCleveland.com.